Today we have discussed about the solution of RMS class 9 solutions, okay, which the exam is held on 19th September of 2021. Okay, let's start. First question 51. The value of a machine depreciates every year by 10%. If the present value of the machine is rupees 1 lakh, what will be the value after 3 years? It is clearly given that the machine value is depreciate every year by 10%. Okay, and what to find after 3 years, what is the price of the machine? So there is a one important formula, that is the value of a machine after n years when the depreciate percentage given are less or depreciate. 1 minute. When the value of any kind depreciates, then the formula will be principal into the original value into 1 minus r upon 100 whole power n. Okay, this is in depreciate case. Suppose increasing, if increase the value will be here only the places come here instead of minus. Okay, right. So we want only depreciate percentage to find. So by using this formula, see here principal is given to 1 lakh. 1 lakh is given to us 1 2 3 4 5 into 1 minus r means rate is 10% to give us 1 minus 10 by 100 whole power n. N means after 3 years. Okay, so what will it is, what to find, just wait. 1 lakh into this 0 gets cancelled. 1 by 10, 10 into 1 by taking LCM here 10. So 10 into 1, 10 minus 1 9 by 10 to the power of 3. Okay, so 1 lakh into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. Okay, 3 times. So 1 2 3 denominator zeros and these zeros are gets cancelled, and remaining part is 9 nines are 81, 81 nines are 729 into 100. This is 20. So the answer is 72900. Okay, so the answer is 72900. This is the correct answer, right? Next 52 question. The factors of 3m square plus 9m plus 6. It is very easy. By splitting middle term, we have to find the factors. Go for 52 solution. The solution for 52 is given to us 3m square plus 9m plus 6. This is the given equation or given algebraic. Okay, so see here, this is a common, there is a common factor, that is 3. We have to take common 3. Next 3m square, and here 3 3 is the 9 and 3 2 is the. Okay, so now middle term split. 2 into m square is equal to 2m square. If what is the middle term split is when this is the algebraic equation form ax square plus bx plus c. By middle term split, this should be x component, we have to be split. Okay, so see here, whenever multiply with a into c means constant, and x square coefficient of x square. By multiplying these two, after multiplying these two, we have to split the middle term. that is bx. So after I am multiplying, m square means 1, here is 1 into 2 2 m square, 2m square. By multiplying this will be get, and after splitting this term 3m, so what to write? 2m square means 2m into m, fulfilling condition. 2m means 2m square, this is okay. If we add these two, 2m plus m, we have to get 2m plus m means 3m. So this is the fulfilling the conditions of this one. So what to write here? 3 into m square, we have to write as it is 3m. Instead of 3m, we have to split as 2m plus m. Okay, plus as it is 2 we have to write. Next 3 into, now see here m square, here also m. So by taking common m, here m plus 2 plus 1 is I am taking common here, m plus 2. Okay, see. So what next? 3 into, again see here m plus 2 gets again common, m plus 2 into m plus, or we have to write in order 3 into m plus 1 into m plus 2. This is our required answer. This is the factor of given equation. 3 into m plus 1 m plus 2, 3 into m plus 1, B is the correct answer. 52. Next question is our 53. So 53 question, what is the 53 question? A metallic cuboid with dimensions 16, 8 and 4 cm was melted and recast into a cube. What is the length of the edge of the cube? It is very easy. The volume of cuboid is equals to volume of cube. So we get the answer. Okay, see how to do. 53 we have to solve. See how to do. I am 53 nothing. We have give as per the question, we have L is equal to 16 centimeter, B is equal to, B means breadth, L means length, breadth is 8 centimeter, and height is given to us 4 centimeter. This is the dimensions of a cuboid. Okay, and this cuboid is melted and form a cube. So when melted the cuboid, the volume of a cuboid is equals to cube. This volume and this volume is equal. Why equal? We are recasting from a cuboid, so that's why the volume of a cuboid does not change. Okay, that's why I am taking cube. The volume of a cuboid is equals to volume of a cube. Okay, let's do. What is the volume of a cuboid? L into B into H. L into B into H. This is a volume of cuboid. Okay, is equal to just 1 minute. I have to write 1 minute. So we have to just volume of a cuboid is equals to volume of a cuboid is equals to volume of a cube. Okay, by equaling this, volume of a cuboid means L into B into H is equal to volume of a cube is just a side cube. Okay, so this is side cube. See, L into B into H, what is the value? L is 16, B is 8 and H is 4 is equal to side cube. Okay, see, I am without any calculating, I am now see how to find the cube, but how to find the side. 16 means 8 2s are 16 and 8 is put right as it is equal to side cube. Now see, 1 8 is here, 1 8 is here, 8 into 8 and another 2 and 4, 2 4s are 8. So how to find I am side C? Very interesting. Now 8 cube is nothing but side cube. We know na, when bases are equal, then the powers also equal. Here see, here powers are equal, here powers are equal, so bases also equal. This is one identity in powers and exponent. So by taking this identity, what happened? Therefore the side is equal to 8. Side means edge. The 8 centimeter is our answer. Understood? 53 is 8 centimeter. This is the answer. Next, the algebraic expression 3x plus 2y plus 6 is a. It is a very easy. See here. Here how many terms there? There are 1 term, 2 term, 3 term. If in algebraic equation 3 terms is there, that is called trinomial. If only one term is there, then it is called monomial. If 2x plus y I am writing, so here 1 term and 2 term, so call it is binomial. So the given equation's answer is trinomial. Third one, okay. Next, 1 2 3 term, 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, so that it is called trinomial. A cube has 6 faces. See answer. A sum of money doubles itself in 3 years. A sum of money doubles itself in 3 years. Okay, very good question. A sum of money doubles itself in 3 years at compound interest. Very good. When the interest is compounded annually, in how many years will it amount to 16 times of itself? Oh, okay. Very interesting question this one. A sum of money doubles itself in 3 years. A sum of money double itself in 3 years. Double means 2 times of principal. Amount is nothing but 2 times of principal in 3 years. Okay. When the interest is compounded annually, in how many years will it compound? It 16 times. Okay. Here question is asking that if amount is 2 times of principal in 3 years, so the same amount is in how many years? 16 times it will be. This is asking the question. Okay, we can now solve. Go for solve. Which question this one? Okay, 56th one. 56th one is 56 question is we have to solve. See here, first condition is given to us itself in 2 times in 3 years. This is first condition. So amount is nothing but P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole power n. This is the formula for finding amount. So by putting the values, amount is nothing but 2 times here. 2 times of principal is given to us in first condition. Amount is I am taking 2 times here. See, okay, and P into 1 plus R means we don't know. R upon 100. N means 3 years. See, this P gets cancelled. Okay, so what is left over? 2 is equals to 1 plus R upon 100 whole power 3. See, this is the amount in first condition. 2 is equal to this equation is we got. Okay, So from this equation I am now solving the, what is asking, this amount is 16 times, this amount is 16 times, in which, in how many years, in how many years he is asking in the question. This amount is in how many years, in how many years, in how many years 16 times this amount will become 16 times, in how many years, this is asking. So for that I am doing this very wonderful. See, here is 2, can we write like that? 2 is 2 to the power of 1, yes, 2 to the power of 1 is equal 1 plus r upon 100 to the power of 3. See, now what to do to get, we have what to do to get 2 to the power 16 here, we just 2 to the power of 4. What to change, what to do, amount, you don't understand, huh? Just wait. He is saying that amount is in how many years 16 will become, in how many years 16 is, the amount is in 16 times. So 16 times means 1 plus r upon 100 whole power is here 3. Okay, here is 3. So what to do to 16 times we get nothing, just we have, see what I am doing now, see here this equation. So we both side 2 to the power of 4, do to both side 2 to the power of 4. Okay, both side 2 to the power of 4, here is 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4, here also 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4 means 1 plus r upon 100 whole power 4, this is the 3, this is the 3, this is already 3 whole power 4, right? This is to the power of 4 and this is, I am just both side multiplying 2 to the power of 4. Okay, see now what happened, 2 to the power of 4 means 16, and here we know the identity, a to the power of m whole power n, so we can write like this, a to the power of m into n. So what happened here, 1 plus r upon 100 whole power 3 into 4, 12. So this is in the form of, 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 here what is the represent 12 here, 12 is represent here n means years, time means 12 years. So the answer is 12 years. Okay, next, this question answer is 12 years. Next, the rational number to be added to 7 minus 4 by 7 to get the 3 by 21 is, it is very easy, nothing to do. So which question this is? This question number is 57. Okay, 57th one is, what is asking, what number should be added, minus 4 by 7, what number should be added so that we get 3 by 21. This is a question, very easy. Just transpose this one in RHS. So what comes, x is equals to nothing but 3 by 21 minus of, by taking it RHS it will becomes minus. Okay, so minus 4 by 7. So what happened here, so one step we have to do, 3 by 21 minus into minus plus 4 by 7. So 21 is the LCM and here is 3, it is 7 3 times. Okay, 7 into 3 na, 7 into 3, 21. So denominator 21, we have also multiplied with the 3 in numerator also, 4 3 is the 12. So 15 by 21. That means 3 5 is the 3 7. So the answer is 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is the correct answer. 5 by 7 is the correct answer. This one. Common factor of HCF of the common factors of HCF. Common factors HCF of 12a square bc and 15a cube b square c cube. Okay, 58. It's also easy, very easy. 58th one is 58th one is what is given to us? 12a square bc, and another one is given to 15a square 15a square b a square a cube. 1 minute. 12a square bc. Okay, 15a cube b square c cube. Okay, 15a cube. 15a cube 15a cube 15a cube b square c cube. This is the given. See here, factorize this one. The factor, common factor, what is 2 into 3, 6 2 is the 12. Okay, a square, just like a square into b into c square. This is square. Next 15 means 3 into 5. Next a cube means a square into a, b square just like b into b, and c cube is c into c. In both, what is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. Both the term, which are the highest common factors. HCF is nothing but highest common factors. See here, is 2 into 2 square. Is it present in this in this term? No. So we don't take the 2 square or nothing, whatever it may be. And next, see here, next is 3 is here, and 3 is also here. So what is the power of 3? 3 to the power of 1. Common factor, both in the common. Okay, and which one the highest one? Highest common factor we are taking HCF 3. And next 5. Here is 5, but it is here is no 5. Next one is 3 and 5. Okay, next here, see here is a square, and here is also a square. Okay, can we take a square? Yes, a square. Next here is b, and here is also b. Okay, here is b square, but here only one b is exists, so we take only b. Here is c, and here is c. Okay, yes. So the required answer is 3a square. 1 minute. 3a square b into c. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay, HCF 3a square bc. 3 is a square bc in which option? 3a square bc in the c option. In the c option. In the c. Okay, this is answer. Next 59th one. If 5 kg of sugar contains 2.25 into 10 to the power of 7 crystals, then the number of crystals present in 2 kg of sugar. Oh, it is very easy. By using unitary method we can do very easy. See how I am doing. Which question we have to do? 15. See 15. How to do it? What is unitary method? I am now just I am explaining unitary method first, then go for solution. Unitary method. How to do unitary method? Suppose cost of 10 pence is equal to 5 rupees. 5 rupees. Then cost for 5 pence. How much? See, very easy here. See, what is asking? Cost for 5 pence is asking. Cost for 5 pence. So which is asking, we have to write in the right side. We have to find the cost. Okay. So in the first condition, cost of 10 pence. Cost of 10 pence. So here is, we have to write pence, number of pence, or number of pence. Number of pence to write. Number of pence, how many? 10 pence cost is 5 rupees. This is the 5 rupees. And asking that cost for 5 pence. Cost for 5 pence, how much? It is asking. So now by using unitary method, how to solve? See, now see here is the quantity of pence is 10 and rupees is 5. Okay. Now the quantity is decreasing now. Instead of 10 pence, we have to find 5 pence. What happened? If 10 pence cost is 5 rupees, then 5 pence cost is to be decreased. So here is quantity of pen is decreasing and the cost should be also be decreased, means less value or less rupees. Understood? Understood or not? Once again I am explaining. See, here 10 pence cost is 5 rupees. Okay, understood? And asking in the question is, how much cost for 5 pence? See, here 10 pence cost is 5 rupees. Now asking is, how much cost for 5 pence? Here decreasing the quantity of pence. So the value should also be decrease. Decrease means less. We have to pay for 5 pence less amount na. Okay. So that's why here in comparison there will be a less. When the comparison is less, there is a formula for, formula is less by more into individual value. Individual value means this value. Okay. First condition, given cost, that is the individual value. So in this case, less means how much? Here less is 5 rupees. More means 5 pence. More means 10 pence into individual value is here. Cost is 5 rupees. You write 5 rupees like this, like that. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 by 2 means 2.5 rupees. So 5 pence cost is 2.5 rupees. Likewise, this question we have to solve. Which question number that is solving? Now we have this 59th one. If 5 kg sugar contains 2.25 into 10 to the power of 7 crystals, then the number of crystals present in 2 kg of sugar. Suppose in 5 kg sugar there are 2.25 into 10 to the power of 7 crystals, but it is asking to us is then the number of crystals present in 2 kg sugar. Okay, 5 kg sugar, so much crystals is there. We have to find 2 kg sugar. How much crystal? How many crystals are there in 2 kg sugar? We have to find. By using unitary method, we can solve the very easy. See here, 59th one is very easy. See, what to find? Number of crystals we have to find. So write down in right hand side, number of crystals. Okay. What is given here? Number of kgs is given. Number of kgs given. Okay. In 5 kgs, how many crystals? 2.25 into 10 to the power of 7 crystals is there. Asking to what? In 2 kg, how many or how much crystals are there? See, very easy. We have discussed just now. If in 5 kgs this much, this is the reducing. Kgs are reducing, na? In comparison, there are from 5 kgs to 2 kgs. So the value will be also be. The value may also should decrease. So in comparison, there will be a less value or less crystals. So in comparison, when the less is come, so our formula is less by more into individual value. Very easy. What is less here? Less is 2 kg, more is 5 kg, into crystals is 2.25 into 10 to the power of 7 crystals. Here, just I am writing shortcuts here. So 2 by 5 into 2.5 by removing point, 225 by 100 into 10 to the power of 7. Okay. Next 2 by 5 I am doing every steps. 225 into 10, we can write 10 square 10 to the power of 7. Now see, 5 ones the 5 fours the 20, 5 fours the 20 and 2 is carry, 5 fives the, okay, 45 the 45 times. Next okay, nothing. See here, 10 to the power of 7 in next step we have to do 2 into 45, 90 into, see here, we know now this identity, a to the power of m by a to the power of n. What happened? If a to the power of m by a to the power of n, then then the identity is a to the power of m minus n. When the bases are same, here is also base 10, here is also base same, here is also base a, here is also base a. When the bases are equal and the powers are different, then the powers is we have to subtract. A to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m minus means a to the power of m minus n. M minus n means 7 minus 2. Right? Understood now? Yes. Next, see, 90 into 10 to the power of 5. This is the required answer. Okay. Go for next question. So 59th question is, this one is the answer. Okay, C1 is the correct answer. Okay, if F, E and V represents the faces, okay, faces, edge and vertices respectively of a polyhedron, then which of the following is the Euler's formula? Oh, this is the direct formula. There is a one formula for Euler formula. Okay, what is Euler's formula? F plus V is equals to E plus 2. Okay, see here, F plus V, by taking the minus E in the RHS, it becomes plus E. So this is the correct answer. Next, evaluate cube root of minus 2744 plus cube root of 0.08. It is very easy. 61. Go for solution 61. See, cube root of minus 2744 divided by cube root of what? 0.008. This is question. Okay. So cube root of 2744 is 14. So cube root of minus 14 whole cube divided by cube root of 0.08 means 0.2 whole cube. Understood? This is the cube root of these values. So what happened? Minus 14 Okay, see, minus 14 whole power 3. By removing this one, we have to write whole power 1 by 3. Okay, next here also minus 0.2 whole cube 2 power of 1 by 3 by removing cube root. Now see what happened in the next step. Minus 14 to the power of 3. Here is one identity, a to the power of m whole power n. What happened? A to the power of m into n means m into n. Okay, divided by 0.2 same m into n. Okay, so what happened? 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are. So the here is minus 14 upon 0.2. Again minus 14 by 0.2 means 2 by 10. Okay, 2 ones are 2 5s are 14 5s are 14 5s are 14 5s are 70. Minus 70 is answer. Minus 70 is answer. Minus 70 is answer. This A1 is answer. Right. 62. The height of a cylinder whose radius is 7 centimeter. The height of a cylinder whose radius. So given as radius is 7 centimeter and the total surface area TSA is given to us 968 centimeter. We have to find very easy by putting the formula. What is the formula of TSA? TSA of cylinder. TSA of cylinder is nothing but one. We can go for solution. 62. 62 solution. TSA of cylinder is nothing but 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the formula for TSA of a cylinder. So put the values. TSA how much given? 968 is equals to 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r means 7. R is 7. H is we don't know. We have to find the h value. So see here, 7 ones gets cancelled. Okay, okay, 2 ones the 2 fours the 8, 2 8s the 16. Okay, 2 4s the 8. Next 11 2s the 11 4s the 44. 11 4s the 44. Okay, next 2 ones the 2 22s the. So left over is 22 is equal 7 plus h. Are you got it? Yes, good. Next, what is the value of h here? H is nothing but 22 minus 7 is equal 15 centimeter or meter? Centimeter. 15 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer. This is the 15 centimeter is the answer. 62. Next, go for next question. 63. It is very good question. It is my favorite one. 63. Okay, 63. It is very easy. No need to solution. See, minus 3 to the power of m plus 1 into minus 3 to the power of 5 is equal to minus 3 to the power of 7. It is given. Find the value of m. Very easy. See, one identity is there. A to the power of m into a to the power of n. A to the power of m plus n. See, I am directly writing here. A to the power of m plus n, m plus 1 plus 5. What happened? M plus 6, m m plus 6 is equals to minus 3 to the power of 7. When the bases are same, the powers also same or equal. So what? M plus 6 is equal to 7. M plus 6 is equal to 7. M plus 6 is equal to 7. So the the value of m is equal to 7 minus 6 minus 1. Minus 1 is answer. Not minus 1. 7 minus 6 plus 1. Okay. Plus 1 is answer. Next, 64. The area of a trapezium is 480 centimeter square. The distance between two parallel sides is 15 centimeter and one of the parallel side is 20 centimeter. The other parallel side is the direct question is given. Okay. 64. Go for solution. 64. 64 solution is 64 solution. Okay. What is the area of a trapezium? Area of a trapezium. What happened? Not appearing. Okay. Now, area of a trapezium is what is half of sum of two parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides into height. This is the formula for area of a trapezium. Put the values of the given in the question. The trapezium area is given to us 480. Okay, half of sum of parallel side. One side is given to us 20, another let we can x. Okay, into height is given to us 15. Very easy. So 15 ones the 15 3 is the 45, 15 3 is the 45 and 3 is left and 15 2 is the, so 32 times. Next, okay, 2 into 32 is 64 is equal 20 plus x. Have you got this? Okay, good. Next, x is equal 64 minus 20 means 64 minus 20 means 44. So the required answer x is equal 44 centimeter. Right? Which question this one? Okay, 64 is the 44. 44 means C. This is the answer. Next, 65. The product of 864 into n is a perfect cube. What is the smallest possible value of n? Oh, it is very easy. 864 into n is a perfect cube. Okay, we have to factor of 864. We have to do the factors of 864. Then which number we have to be find out to become it is a perfect cube. So let's start. 864. We have to do the factors of 864 first. 864. Which one this question? The number of 65. Okay, good. 65th solution. 864. Okay. Go for factors. First, 2 4s the 8, 2 3s the 2 2s the. Next, again for 2 2s the 2 1s the 2 6 the. Next, 2 1s the 2. Next, here is 0. 2 8s the 16. 2 5s the 2 4s the. Next, 2 2s the 2 2s the 4. 2 7s the. Now 27 3. 3 9s the 27. Again 3 3s the. C. Now wait 1 minute. So write all the factors. Write all the factors. 864 factors we have to write now. First one, see, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2's? 1 minute. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Next 3's are 3. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Next 3's 1 2 3. Now in this question is asking that 864 into which number we have to multiply so that this number will become a cube, perfect cube. That means we have to find out the pairs in pairs of 3. 1 is pair here, 2 is okay. Next here 3 is also pair, and the remaining only what number should we multiply? 2 into 2, but another 2 is missed here, so we have to multiply with 2. The n number is nothing but here 2. The answer is okay. Understood? Good. Very good. Very good. Brilliant. Excellent. 2 is the answer. Got it? Yes. Next, 66th one. If rupees 782 be divided into 3 parts proportional to 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4, then the first part is divide 782 rupees we have to divide in this type. 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. Okay. Where is 66th? 66th. Go for 66th solution. There is a 762 rupees. We have to distribute among 3 persons in ratio. Suppose I am taking A, B, C. In ratio 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. We are asking A part. Okay. So when given here, given is A is to B is to C is given to us, 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. When the ratio type questions, we have to take the common multiple. Okay, let common multiple bx. Why we have to take common multiple? These are not the values, these are the ratios. Okay, these are the ratios. Okay, when we taking the common multiple of x, then it becomes converted as a values. So the now the a's value is becomes 1 by 2 of x. This is the value. Next b is how much? 2 by 3 of x. And c is how much? 3 by 4 of x. This is the procedure to do the ratio problems. 3 by 4 of x. So it is given as sum of these number is equals to 782. Yes, 782. Okay, just add and equal what? X by 2. First one is x by 2 and second is 2x by 3 and third one is 3x by 4 is equivalent to 782. Understood? Now 2 3 4's LCM is 12. 2 6 the 3 4 the 4 2 the 8x 4 3 the 3 3 the 9x is equal to 782. Understood? 6 plus 8 14 14 plus 9 23 23x upon 12 is equal to 782. Okay, now see, 23. It 23 table 3 4s the 23. See 1 minute. 23 ones the 782. Can we divide by 23? 23 4s the 23 into 4. 4 3 is the 12. 1 carry. 4 2 is the 8. 4 2 is the 23x by 12 is equal to 782. 23, how many times it will go? 23 3s with them. 1 minute. Right. 1 second. Where is eraser? Okay, found it. 1 minute. Right. Okay. 23 3 is the 9. 3 3 is the 9 and 3 2 is the 6. 12 minus 9 3, and here 7 minus 6 1. 1 minute here. Why this pen is not supporting to us today? Not supporting correctly this pen. 1 minute. 23 3 is the 3 3 is the 9. 3 3 is the 9. 3 2 is the 6 by minus 8 minus 9 not to do. So 18 minus 9 9 92. 23 3 4 is the 12. Okay, 3 4 is the 12. 1 carry and 4 2 is the 8 plus 1 9. Okay, that's 34 times. 23 1 is 24, 34 times. So x is equal to 12 into 34. X is equal to 12 into 34. X is equal to 12 into 34. 12 into 34. So what we have to first part. Okay, first part is a is equal to nothing but half of x. So 1 by 2 into x is 12 into 34. So 2 1s are 2 6s are 34 6s are 34 into 6 are 34 6s are 204. This is answer. 204. 204 means the answer is 204. That is 204. The answer is 204. Given. So we have to stop here, and the remaining questions will be discussed later. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that more interesting videos will be uploaded very soon on daily basis. Thank you.